Find the coefficient of x raised to 5 in x plus 3 raised to 8. Say it is like a plus b raised to n. We know results that in a plus b raised to n, formula for general term is NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. So matching this expression with this formula, here a is 3, sorry, a is x and b is 3. So here a is x, b is 3 and n we are taking 8. So formula for r plus 1th term is NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r. So putting these values, we are in this formula here. N is 8 cr into a is x, so x raised to 8 minus r, b is 3 raised to r. This is general term, r plus 1th term. Now see, we want coefficient of x raised to 5 and x is visible here. So we make this inside. So rearranging this term, 3 raised to r into 8cr into x raised to 8 minus r. To have coefficient of x raised to 5, we have to put here r equal to 3. So we can have x raised to 5. So putting r equal to 3, we get, putting r equal to 3, this will be 4th term, 3 raised to 3 into 8c3 into x raised to 8 minus 3 is 5. Because we want coefficient of x raised to 5, so idea can be obtained from this index, that to have here 5, we have to put r equal to 3. So this is equal to 27 into 8c3, 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1, x raised to 5. So it is equal to, say here 3 into 9, 27, 2 into 3, 6. So this is 8 into 9, 72, 72 into 21, 72 into 21, it is 1440 plus 72, that is 1512, 1512 into x raised to 5. So this is 4th term in the expansion, in which coefficient of x raised to 5 is 1512. Therefore coefficient of x raised to 5 is 1512. Now here find coefficient of this expression in the expansion of a minus 2b raised to 12. Here we are going to apply this formula, a minus b raised to n. R plus 1th term is NCR a raised to n minus r minus b raised to r. So we are using this formula. Here we include minus b. Instead of b, here we keep minus b if minus is given. So applying this formula here, say formula for here A is A and B is to B. So formula for r plus 1th term is NCR. N is 12. NCR into e raised to n minus r. E is a. E raised to 12 minus r into b is replaced by 2b, or if we show this in detail, then see, first of all I am putting here formula that in a minus b raised to n, formula for r plus 1th term is NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r minus b raised to r. So I have copied this statement in the beginning. Now in this formula, here a is a and b is 2b. So using this formula, in a minus 2b raised to 12, in a minus 2b raised to 12, r plus 1th term is 12cr. See, power is n, NCR, power is 12, 12cr. E raised to, see, E is a raised to 12 minus r. And here b, this was minus b, so we keep minus 2b raised to r. So application of this formula. In formula, b is replaced by 2b. b is replaced by 2b. So it is equal to 12cr, see, minus 2 raised to r. From this part, we are separating minus 2 raised to r, that we are taking on left side. Minus 2 raised to r is separated into b raised to r into a raised to 12 minus r. Minus 2b raised to r is minus 2 raised to r into b raised to r. Then a raised to 12 minus r. Now look, here according to question, we want coefficient of a raised to 5, b raised to 7. So to have a raised to 5, b raised to 7, we have to put here r equal to 7. So putting r equal to 7, this will be 7 plus 1, 8th term, that is 12c7. R we are taking 7 minus 2 raised to 7 into a raised to 12 minus 7 into b raised to 7. So 8th term is 12c7 is 12c5. This is more than half of 12. If this number is more than half of this number, then we use property NCR is NCn minus r, so it becomes easy, into minus 2 raised to 7. Here minus 2 raised to 7, just I keep as it is, minus 2 raised to 7 into, or we can calculate 2 raised to 7, odd power, so product will be negative. 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. 128 into a raised to 5, b raised to 7. So this is equal to, now 12c5 is 12 into 11 into 10, 9 into 8 upon 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 12c5 into minus 128 into a raised to 5, b raised to 7. Now here 5 into 2, this is 10, 4 into 3, it is 12. So product will be minus 128 into 11 into 9 into 8 into a raised to 5 b raised to 7. This can be calculated. Using calculator, you can calculate this product. So something raised to a raised to 5 b raised to 7. So coefficient of a raised to 5 into b raised to 7, it will be negative number. Now see here, find the general term in the expansion of x square minus yx whole raised to 12. Say, in the expansion of a minus b raised to n, the general term is r plus 1th term, it is NCR a raised to n minus r into minus b raised to r. So we use this formula to find general term in the expansion of a minus b raised to n. So here we substitute, say this is a is x square, b is yx, n is 12. So replacing a by, we are putting a equal to x square, b equal to yx, n equal to 12. We have r plus 1th term is n is 12, r is r, a is x square, n is 12, minus, keep as it is, and b, what is b here? Yx. So put here yx raised to r. So it is equal to 12cr into x raised to 24 minus 2r into here minus 1 raised to r, we are separating. Minus 1 raised to r is separated, y raised to r into x raised to r. Now joining these x terms together and minus 1 raised to r keeping as at the first place, minus 1 raised to r into 12cr into x raised to 24 minus 2r plus r into y raised to r. So this is minus 1 raised to r 12cr x raised to 24 minus r into y raised to r. So this is general term. Therefore general term is minus 1 raised to r 12cr x raised to 24 minus r y raised to r. It is general term. Now in this question, find the 13th term in the expansion of 9x minus 1 by 3 root x raised to 18. Again we use same formula. So what we do here, again we are putting a equal to 9x, b is 1 by 3 root x, and n equal to 18. In formula, r plus 1th is NCR a raised to n minus r minus b raised to r. Same formula, which is general term of a minus b raised to n. So putting here value, it is equal to n is 18 cr into a is 9x 18 minus r into minus b, so minus 1 upon 3 root x raised to r. Simplifying this, we can calculate r plus 1th term. It is equal to 18cr into 9 raised to 18 minus r into x raised to 18 minus r into minus 1 raised to minus 1 by 3 raised to r, minus 1 by 3 raised to r, and here this is 1 upon, say it is x raised to half. So outer power is r, inner power is half. So multiplying outer and inner power, x raised to r by 2. Now 18cr into, say minus 1 by 3 raised to r, I am keeping in first place, minus 1 by 3 raised to r, then 9 raised to 18 minus r, constants I am taking in first beginning. This is 18cr into, now joining these numbers, x raised to 18 minus r by 2. So this is minus 1 by 3 raised to r, 9 raised to 18 minus r, 18cr into x raised to 18, this is minus 1 minus half, minus 3r by 2. So this is general term, it is general term. Now we want 13th term. So to obtain 13th term, we have to put r equal to 12. So for 13th term, we are putting r equal to 12. That we could also put in the beginning. In the beginning, when putting values of a, b and n, at the same time also we could put r equal to 12 here. So 12, 12, 12. But in this question I want to show some extra part, extra questions in the same question. So that's why first of all I have found general term. So 13th term, put r equal to 12. So T13 equal to minus 1 by 3 raised to r is 12, 9 raised to 18 minus 12 is 6 into 18c r is 12, x raised to 18 minus, putting here 12, 12 into 3, 36 by 2, 18. So it is going to be constant term. So it is equal to, now minus 1 by 3 raised to 12, because even power of any negative number is always positive. So this can also be expressed as 1 by 3 raised to 12. 1 by 3 raised to 12. Now this can be expressed as 3 square raised to 6. 3 raised to 12 is 3 square raised to 6. Now 3 square is 9. So this can be expressed as 1 by 9 raised to 6 into 9 raised to 6. We have done so because we can cut these numbers. Into 18c12 is 18c6. 18c12 is 18c6. This is more than half of this number. It is more than 9. So use that rule. NCR is NCn minus R. X raised to 0 is constant. Now this is 1. 18 says 6 is 18 into 17 into 16 into 15 into 14 into 13 upon 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 1. So this is 6 into 3, 18. 5 into 3, 15. 2 into 7, 14. 4 into 4, 16. So what is left? 17 into 4 into 3 into 7 into 13. This can be calculated using calci. So here this is required 13th term. Therefore 13th term is here. You can put this value here. So it will be 13th term. Find the middle term in the expansion of x by 3 plus 9y raised to 10. So here n is 10. N is 10 and 10 is even number. So expansion has 11 terms. 10 plus 1, 11 terms. So order of the middle term will be 6th term. See, total 11 terms. So leave 5 from left side, 5 from right side. So middle term it is 6th term, and according to formula it can be expressed as, if n is even, then n by 2 plus 1. So this will be 10 by 2 plus 1. That is 6th term. 6th term will be the middle term. So we will find here 6th term. Now here this is a plus b raised to n. So formula for r plus 1th term in the expansion of a plus b raised to n, NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to r, we are putting, because we want a 6th term, we should put r equal to 5. N is 10. E is x by 3 and b is 9y. So putting these values in this formula, we have t5 plus 1 equal to n is 10, 10c5, r is 5, e is x by 3, 10 minus 5, b is 9y raised to 5, r we have taken 5. So 6th term is equal to 10c5 x raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5 into 9 raised to 5 into y raised to 5. 10c5 is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 upon 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is x raised to 5. This is 3 raised to 5. 9 raised to 5, it can be expressed as 3 raised to 10. 9 is 3 square. So we can cut here easily. Into y raised to 5. So that is, see, 5 into 2, 10. 4 into 2, 8, 3 into 2, 6. So this is 9 into 2, 18, 18 into 7, 126, 126 into 2. See, just we keep as it is 9 into 2 into 7, 14, 14 into 2, 28, 14 into 28 into 9 I keep as it is, into x raised to 5 I keep inside, y raised to 5 I am keeping inside, 3 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 5, so it will be 3 raised to 5. Here 3 raised to 5 will be left. So this is 3 raised to 7 into 9 into 28. This can be calculated using a calculator. 3 raised to 5, that is 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81 into 3, 243. 243 into 9 into 28. 9 into 28 into 243. This can be calculated into x raised to 5, y raised to 5. So this will be middle term. This will be middle term. After putting here value, you can calculate. You can say sixth term is middle term. So let me calculate it is how much. So 9 into 28 into 3 raised to 5, it is 63423. So this is constant, it is a middle term. So middle term is, therefore middle term is 63423 into x raised to 5 into y raised to 5. So it is required middle term. Now in this question, say here n is 7 and 7 is odd. So if you think practically, then expansion has 7 plus 1, 8 terms. Expansion has 8 terms. So there are two middle terms, 4th and 5th. So by formula it can be shown as, therefore middle terms are n plus 1 by 2 and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th term are middle terms. N plus 1 by 2th term and n plus 1 by 2 plus 1th terms are middle term. So putting here 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 2, that is 4th term, and 4 plus 1, 5th term are middle terms. So here we use formula, because here minus sign in r plus 1th term a raised to NCR a raised to n minus r minus b raised to r. In this formula we are putting a equal to 3, b equal to minus minus already taken here, so b is x cube by 6, b is x cube by 6, n is 7. Putting these values and r equal to 3, to obtain 4th term we have to take r equal to 3. So putting these values, so we are putting these numbers. So 3 plus 1, it will be 4th term. n is 7, r is 3, a is 3 raised to 7 minus 3 into minus b is x cube by 6 raised to 3. So fourth term is 7c3 is 7 into 6 into 5 upon 3 into 2 into 1. This is 3 raised to 4, it is 81 into, this will be minus 1 cube. See, whenever you have here minus, always a separate minus with this power, minus 1 raised to 3 into x raised to 9 upon 6 cube. So 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. Now simplifying this, 3 into 2, 6. Here 9 into 9, 81. So here 2 into 2, 3, 3. So here 9 is cancelled. 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So 9, here 9 9s 81. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 3, 9. So how much is left? Fourth term is minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1. 7 into 5, 35. 35 into 3, 105 upon 8 into x raised to 9. So this is fourth term. And for fifth term, now we are putting r equal to 4. So now here we keep r equal to 4. So 4 plus 1 is similar terms. N is 7. So 7c4 into a is 3 raised to 7 minus 4. B is x cube by 6 raised to 4. So r is taken 4. So fifth term is equal to 7c4 is 7c3. 7c4 is 7c3. This is 3 raised to 3. So 27. Here minus 1 raised to 4, it is plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4. Remember, in this calculation, whenever you have minus b raised to r, so minus consider as minus 1 raised to r. This is even, so this will be plus 1. In this question, this was odd. So minus 1 raised to 3, we have taken minus 1 into x raised to 12 upon 6 raised to 4. So 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So here 3 into 2, 6. Here 3 into 9, 27. Here 2 into 2, 3 is a 9 is cancelled. Again 3 into 2, 6. So how much is left? Minus 1 raised to 4 is plus 1. Plus 1 into 7 into 5, 35 upon 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 2, 24 into 2, 48 into x raised to 12. So this is fifth term. These are middle terms. Therefore, middle terms are minus 105 upon 8 times x raised to 9 and 35 upon 48 into x raised to 12. These are middle terms.